Though with the coronavirus concerns, President Trump tweeting out a few hours ago that he plans to hold a press conference at the White House today at 3 o'clock with an update on the coronavirus. Before that, Rhode Island Governor Gina Raimondo will hold a press conference at 1 with an update on local containment efforts. We will, of course, carry that live for you. Massachusetts Governor Charlie Baker is scheduled to speak now at noon, and as it stands, CDC says the number of coronavirus cases remains at 5 here in Rhode Island, 108 in Massachusetts. Taking a global look now, Johns Hopkins University tracking the virus, reporting there have been more than 137,000 cases. Nearly 70,000 of those cases are now in recovery. However, more than 5,000 people have died. 40 of those deaths here in the United States. Checking the headlines. Touch and go on Wall Street right now after the Dow had its largest single-day drop since 1987. Yesterday, stocks soared 600 points at the opening bell. Now, though, they are only up about 150 points. In the meantime, a long list of events being postponed. We've learned all Attleboro schools will be closed starting Monday after a student reported they were self-quarantining. And the Masters Golf Tournament, scheduled for early April, has now been postponed. Rhode Island District Court is closing on Monday. New at noon, the Boston Marathon has officially been moved from April until September 14th. Boston Mayor Marty Walsh says it's all about keeping runners, fans, and staff safe, and that September will give them time to prepare.
We've shown before that no matter what the challenge is to our marathon and to our city, we are Boston strong.
Cleaning staff seen at TF Green Airport working around the clock to keep things clean at the airport. Crews there wiping down every surface. St. Kevin's School and Church, latest to close due to COVID-19 concerns. A priest there telling Eyewitness News someone who recently visited the church now being tested for the virus. Eyewitness News reporter Brittany Schaefer joins us from St. Kevin's with the very latest developments.
Well, Patrick, cleaning supplies arrived about an hour ago to St. Kevin's here. Father Robert Marciano tells me the church is in contact with the Department of Health to ensure safety. A sign on the door canceling events at St. Kevin's in Warwick after the priest tells us someone who recently visited the church is now being tested for COVID-19. According to the website, St. Kevin's School and Church are closed Friday in response to the virus. Father Robert Marciano tells me the church is being cleaned Friday and he is currently in self-quarantine. Numerous events at both St. Kevin's and St. Benedict's are canceled, including a Passover Seder in April. Globally, Rome Catholic churches were ordered to close Thursday due to the pandemic. Those churches will remain closed through April 3rd. And Father Marciano declined to go on camera, but emphasizes the person who was at the church is being tested for coronavirus and is not yet tested positive. For now in Warwick, Brittany Schaefer, Eyewitness News.
WPRI.com and the WPRI 12 News app. We have a banner at the top of our website that includes links to the latest information, such as a list of area events that have been canceled or postponed. It's broken down by county. Also a list of how local colleges and universities are responding. You can also find the latest impact on local and national sports teams and events. Also online, you can find a map of the confirmed cases across the United States. And join us tonight on Fox Providence at 6:30. A local doctor joins us live. He'll answer questions. You can submit questions right now through Report It at WPRI.com or through the WPRI Facebook page.